Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You own the required expansions and are at recommended power. This unlocks endgame bounties and quest anchors. Once done, open the director and navigate to pursuits. This is where Hunter Journal steps spawn. Make sure to visit the tower vendor and check any new quest entries. They populate immediately after prerequisites are met. You'll want to accept the initial journal task right away, so objectives track correctly and future steps appear in order. You now execute the journal objectives. Prioritize tasks that gate progress, like patrols or activity completions, because those trigger the next entries. Once doing a task, match listed modifiers. Use the elemental weapon or subclass called for. This speeds completion and avoids repeats. Make sure to play activities where multiple objectives overlap so you clear more at once. As you finish milestones, return to the journal and claim checkpoints. This reveals the complex mid-chain steps and any hidden cinematic triggers. You complete the final node, usually a boss encounter, mission, or collection check, by following the journal's specific win conditions. This is the step that grants the final pages. Once done, return to the tower or the quest giver and turn it into register completion and receive rewards. If the journal doesn't update, relog and verify the activity was on the correct playlist. Make sure the weekly reset hasn't moved objectives, and confirm your DLC ownership to clear common stuck issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.